Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you a very specific problem that I faced when I was using this Wi-Fi Man Teleport VPN by Unifi, right? So what I have right now is I am currently on a hotspot on my phone, and I'm connected to my home network using Unifi's Teleport VPN, and I am able to do NS lookup. So this is just to prove that I am connected to my own home network. Just to say that, this is I'm actually connected to the VPN via the VPN to my home network, right? So what I faced is an issue with VLAN segmentation and firewall rule on Unifi. So what happens is I have this reversing lab VLAN, right? And if I have any of the machines inside there, so for example, I have a Windows machine actually sitting inside this reversing lab VLAN. And what I also have is I have a firewall rule that is blocking the Windows, that is blocking all of the internet traffic on the reversing lab VLAN, right? So because of that, it also actually blocks the internet. It also actually blocks the teleport VPN access on that Windows machine too. So because of that, I'm not able to RDP into it. So if I go and connect to it, you can see that it's initiating a remote connection, but the connection drops because of that block rule that is in effect. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so you can see that we're unable to connect to the machine because of this rule where it blocks all the traffic, including the VPN traffic. So how can we resolve that? Well, to resolve that, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create an alias from the overview section. So you need to come into settings, go to overview, then there is a network list that you can come in, create a new one here. But for myself, I've created a Teleport VPN client alias ahead of time to save time. So you can see that there's an address space of 192.168.2.0/24. So the behavior that the Unifi Teleport VPN does is whenever the clients are connected back to home via Wi-Fi Man Teleport VPN, it drops all of the clients inside this subnet. So that is something that I've observed in the behavior of the VPN. So what I did was I created this alias, and we just need to go back to the rules. What I did ahead of time was I have also, okay, so this one, I've also created a firewall rule ahead of time, targeting in the destination as the Teleport VPN clients, but match the opposite of that network. So basically what it does is I actually put in a note here. What the rule does is it blocks all the traffic on reversing lab VLAN except the teleport traffic, which is the VPN traffic. So if we do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and resume this, and I'm going to go and pause the other rule to show you the demonstration of how it works. And I just need to go back to the RDP session. And if I connect right now, you can see that I'm able to connect to it. There we go. There it is. So I'm connected to, so I can connect to the RDP session of using that. And so you can see that this is inside the reversing lab VLAN. And of course, I did some testing earlier. So if I go and do ping google.com, because the traffic, internet traffic, is actually blocked except the VPN traffic, we should not be able to ping google.com or reach any of the outside traffic. So you can see that there was a packet, there was a reply from that, but you can actually see that all the requests actually timed out. So yeah. And if you go and do like google.com also, you will not be able to connect to it. There we go. Yep. So yeah, it's just stuck there. So that's kind of it. That's all, everything I wanted to show you. So just make sure that if you want to have, you know, network segmentation, and you want to reach some of the segmented air-gapped network via Teleport VPN, make sure you apply this rule to match the opposite of the Teleport VPN clients. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to show you for today. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you.